Do you know the weight of this bread is 300 gram and the selling price is 25 rupees? Do you know the weight of this bread is also 300 gram but the selling price is 200 rupees? Why there is a whole lot of difference? That is because this is your regular bread and this is your sourdough bread. But then why people are not making sourdough bread? Because they don't know how to make it. If you want to earn the real profit out of your bread, you need to learn how to make sourdough bread. Sourdough bread, yes, is a technical topic, but once you learn it, you are going to earn a great amount of profit. Hi, I'm Chef Sushil Setia, and I'm going to teach you how to make a perfect sourdough bread out of perfect sourdough starter. So I'm going to teach you how to make the sourdough starter first, and then how to use that sourdough starter and how to make your perfect sourdough bread out of it. Click the learn more button below and I'm going to share you the details.